Sometimes when you lose, when people die, it is very hard to make tears. You feel like you want to make tears, but something inside you stops them and they press your chest like something sitting on it. Don't be ashamed to weep. This is right to grieve. Tears are only water and flowers, trees and fruit cannot grow without waters. Heaven knows we need. Never be ashamed of our tears, for they are rain upon the building dust of earth overlying our hard hearts. I was better after I had cried than before, more sorry, more aware of my ingratitude, gentler. Crying does not mean you are weak. Something it's what you need to do. Get strong again, no matter how big you get. It's still okay to cry because everybody's got right to their own tears. Crying is all right in its way while it lasts, but you have to stop sooner or later, and then you still have to decide what to do. Shining through tears like April suns ensures that labor to overcome the cloud that loads. Weeping is not the same thing as crying. It takes your whole body to weep, and when it's over, you feel like you don't have any bones left to hold you up. Your tears come easy when you are young and beginning the world. Your tears come easy when you are old and leaving it. I burst out crying. Crying is good for the soul. It means something needs to be released, and if you don't release the some things, it just weighs you down until you can hardly move. There are moments when I wish I could roll back the clock and take all the sadness away, but I have the feeling that if I had, the joy would be gone as well. What is hardest to accept but the passage of time is that the people who once mattered the most to us wind up in parentheses. Death is great revealer of what is in a man, and its soulman shadow appear the naked lineaments of the soul to have been loved so deeply, even though the person who loved us is gone, will give us some protection forever. It's okay that we're not perfect. It's okay that we all have problems. It's okay to cry, to show emotions. Those who do not weep do not see sadness flies away on the wings of the time. Grief does not change you, it reveals you. Our dead are never dead to us until we have forgotten them, for death is no more a turning of us from time to eternity. Crying reveals pressure on the soul. Tears are the summer showers to the soul. Unable are the loved to die, for love is immortality. I shed more tears than God could ever have required. If you have not cried, your eyes cannot be beautiful. More and more, the hardest part of crying is when I cannot stop. I never guessed I could cry so hard my face hurt. God gave us crying so other folks could see when we needed help and help us. A part of me has departed with you. Grief sits like a weight upon my soul.